So hello everyone. I know I didn't upload video for many days, and I know, but so today I'm talking about life. Life is really unexpected. People think something else for their life, but the whatever happening in their life, that is something else, and maybe uh, God plans something better for you. But sometimes people think that until when we will struggle for getting that thing, and like there are many people, they keep doing hard work, they keep working hard on their skills, in their preparation, but they are not getting, and they keep working hard. I'm not saying that they are not giving their 100%, they are giving, but still they will not get that thing, and keep keep there are many people, they believe on God, and there are many people, they, because of their unsuccessful life, they keep blaming God, and they keep trying to say to God that until when we working hard on that. And sometimes life is so unexpected. You think something else, and you do something else, and that thing is not in your control. Sometimes you take decision in hurry, and that decision is also good for you, but sometimes the decision is not good for you. So I think whatever you are doing, just do it, because if you keep thinking, so time is not waiting for anybody. It is going on, and टाइम कब रेत की तरफ फिसल जाएगा किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा. So just do it and working hard on that, because there are many things and there are many decisions I take, and but I think everyone should take decision carefully, and they should believe on their self. But sometimes beliefs are not working. You have to work hard, you have to do smart work, just do whatever you want to do. And life is so unexpected. Don't be don't be thoughtful, because overthinking make you die. Okay, so just if you have friends, so go and share to your friends. Don't overthink a lot. That overthinking destroy your life. Okay.